inshallah, before we commence with the azan, we will perform a nikah. So the nikah brothers are requested to come forward. The two witnesses, as well as the wakil and the groom. Jazakumullah. Alhamdulillah. Brother Zain Hanif Chaudhry. Brother Zain Hanif Chaudhry is going on Mi'raj today. Allah Ta'ala accept. Not that Mi'raj, the other Mi'raj. MashaAllah. The witnesses are Ashfaq Sikh. You the wakil? Yes, not the witness. You the representative. MashaAllah. And the witnesses are Mazhar Iqbal, Bilal Ahmed, and the entire gathering. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept. Have you taken permission from Sister Farzana Jamal? Did the brothers witness the permission? Alhamdulillah. الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونؤمن به ونتوكل عليه ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا من يهده الله فلا مضل له ومن يضلله فلا هادي له ونشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له ونشهد أن سيدنا مولانا محمدا عبده ورسوله أرسله بالحق بشيرا ونذيرا بين يدي الساعة من يطع الله ورسوله فقد رشد واهتدى ومن يعصهما فإنه لا يضر إلا نفسه ولا يضر الله شيئا فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الناس اتقوا ربكم الذي خلقكم من نفس واحدة وخلق منها زوجها وبث منهما رجالا كثيرا ونساء واتقوا الله الذي تساءلون به والأرحام إن الله كان عليكم رقيبا وقال تعالى يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله وقولوا قولا سديدا يصلح لكم أعمالكم ويغفر لكم ذنوبكم ومن يطع الله ورسوله فقد فاز فوزا عظيما وقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم النكاح من سنتي وقال عليه الصلاة والسلام فمن رغب عن سنتي فليس مني أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام. Your brother Ashfaq Sikh, do you give me permission to get Mrs. Farzana Jamal married or give her hand in marriage to Brother Zain Hanif Chaudhry? Yes. Brother Zain Hanif Chaudhry, do you accept Sister Farzana Jamal as in your wedlock, as your wife, in the witnesses of Mazhar Iqbal, Bilal Ahmed and the entire gathering?
Alhamdulillah,
قبول है. نكحتها وقبلتها وتزوجتها. ما شاء الله. بارك الله لكما وجمع بينكما في خير. إن شاء الله after Jummah we will do dua. Sorry we can't meet or hug or anything. Brothers should congratulate the brother. This is Mubarak. The Mubarak Majlis, and this is the Sunnah way of the Prophet. Today unfortunately we have made Unfortunately we have made weddings and nikahs and ceremonies, a big burden on ourselves. That is why our children are not getting married early. Or even the brothers that are unmarried, they can't get married because they find that why should, where will I get so much money to invite so many people? We have to have this ceremony, the Mehndi ceremony, this ceremony. All that is not the Sunnah. And that is not Islam. That is merely we're just following some culture, some custom that came from un-Islamic cultures. And then we delay the nikah. I had a case a couple of days ago where a brother comes and says, my parents are not agreeing for me to get married before Ramadan. We engaged. We're going out. We're doing everything. But they don't want us to get married before Ramadan. What do I do? I can't wait till after Ramadan. I said, what is the reason? So the reason is we need to invite family, we need to call this one, we need to have a big wedding. So that is not Islam. Let us not oppress our children. When it's the right time for them, we know that now they have grown up. And if they are not strong enough to stand on their own legs, no problem, we support them. We support them in everything else. We support them financially in going to universities. We support them financially in paying off their loans, whatever it is. We support them in everything else. Why not support them in getting married and live a pure life of nikah? Otherwise, nature is nature. It will drag a person and thereafter they end up going onto the wrong path. And then we know what's happening in our communities. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us all the tawfiq.